Okay, so hello YouTube. Today I'm going to give you guys a cover of Isabell Thao's "In Your Heart" a cappella version because I can't play guitar yet, and I don't have a uke. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoy. I wanna spend forever in your arms. I wanna lean on your chest and listen to your heart. I wanna hold your hand and walk in the park. I wanna do a lot of things, but the distance always gets in between. So I love you from afar while you listen to me sing, and I listen to you laugh as we talk about anything. We'll forget about the hype and we'll fall asleep on Skype. No matter where you are, you'll always have a place in my heart. In my heart. I love the way you smile when you look at me, when you criticize me jokingly. You know you got my heart, and I'll never let you go. No matter the distance, no matter the miles, I'll never let you know that I love you from afar while you listen to me sing, and I'll listen to you laugh as we talk about anything. We'll forget about the hype and we'll fall asleep on Skype. No matter where you are, you'll always have a place in my heart. In my heart. And that's it. So I hope you guys enjoy.